In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for home design. If you're planning a room makeover, building a mood board, or putting together a polished interior design presentation, Canva can be a surprisingly helpful tool. You do not need complicated design software to create something clean, stylish, and easy to present. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up your workspace, find the right visual elements, organize your layout, and export your finished design in a professional format. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to canva.com. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner of the homepage and click Create a Design. This is where your project begins, and opening a fresh design from here helps keep everything organized from the start. Next, choose the format that best fits your goal. If you're making a client presentation or digital concept board, presentation in 16 by 9 works well. If you want something more suitable for printing, choose a document in A4 or US letter size. After your blank canvas opens, go up to File, then View Settings, and turn on Show Margins. This is a simple but important step because it gives you a visual boundary, helping you keep your content balanced and preventing anything important from getting too close to the edge. Now it's time to build the base of your design. On the left sidebar, click Elements, then use the search bar to look for terms like 2D room layout vector, grid floor plan drawing, or architectural blueprint silhouette. When you find a floor plan graphic that works for your project, click and drag it onto your canvas. This gives you a strong visual foundation before you begin adding decor, textures, or notes. From there, return to Elements and search for furniture or material visuals such as minimalist couch cutout, marble countertop texture, or accent chair. Add the item you want to your page, then click it and choose Edit Photo from the top toolbar. If the background needs to be removed, use the background remover tool so the object blends more naturally into your layout. This is especially useful when layering pieces on top of your floor plan or mood board. Once your visuals are in place, add your written details. Click Text on the left, then choose Add a text box. Type in room notes, materials, or paint details, and format the text using a clean, readable font. You can also go back into Elements to add small square shapes and change their colors to create a simple swatch palette and chart that matches your design scheme. Before exporting, take a moment to review the layout. Move items slightly if needed and use Canva's alignment guides to help everything line up neatly. When you're happy with the final result, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for a sharp digital file or PDF print if you want a high-quality printable version. Then click Download to save your finished home design board. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.